Hey guys, this is Keon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, aka 2E's Enterprises. Today we're gonna be talking about something a little different. If you've been following me before, I post a lot of Fortnite videos. So today we're gonna be talking about how I am consistently able to make $300 on UberEats, doing deliveries, with the penny skateboard. If you have a scooter, bike, or anything else, please stick around if you're trying to make extra money. If you're just looking for a job, please stay tuned and I'll be giving you more tricks and tips on how you can make even more than $300. So with that being said, let's get right into the good stuff. I know you've been waiting to see it. Right now I'm going to show you a couple of the many days, or a few days I guess, that I've made over $300. And yeah, let's get straight into it. Drop in, don't need no parachute. Oh, go, so don't make me embarrass you. She wanna play games, but that's what I've been made to. I'm a big dog, maybe, yeah, call me morbid dude. I'ma take my time as I glide, cause this ain't hard to do. Count my V-bucks, sit back, buy me a car too. Don't mean to break your heart, but it's mine, I'll end up scarring you. We ain't got it after my life, 49 days, through a storm or two. Yeah. Drop in, don't need no parachute. Oh, go, so don't make me embarrass you. She wanna play games, but that's what I've been made to. I'm a big dog, maybe, yeah, call me morbid dude. I'ma take my time as I glide, cause this ain't hard to do. Count my V-bucks, sit back, buy me a car too. Don't mean to break your heart, but it's mine, I'll end up scarring you. We ain't got it after my life, 49 days, through a storm or two. Yeah. Drop in, don't need no parachute. Oh, go, so don't make me embarrass you. She wanna play games, but that's what I've been made to. I'm a big dog, maybe, yeah, call me morbid dude. I'ma take my time as I glide, cause this ain't hard to do. Count my V-bucks, sit back, buy me a car too. Don't mean to break your heart, but it's mine, I'll end up scarring you. We ain't got it after my life, 49 days, through a storm or two. Yeah. Hey guys, it's just a little video update, show you how it looks throughout my day. Working right now in New York City, Times Square, and we are picking up the second delivery. Right, try to keep my mask on through these crazy times. Eyebrow all messed up. What can I say? So yeah, this is how a typical day looks like. Picking up deliveries. It's really not that bad. You know, you get to enjoy outside. If you get a little hot, you can just unzip, you know. For me, if you're a person who likes being alone, this is a great opportunity. To sum all of this up, if you really want to make more money or even have a $200 day, because I'm making it sound like it's an easy thing. It's not an easy thing. You will have to put in that work. You will be up. You will be pushing 12-hour days, and I don't recommend that. But if you're willing to put in that work, like I said earlier, you're straight out of high school, you're young, you got the energy, and you just want to make that money, then go ahead. Please do so. Just use all of your time and invest that money. But this is not something that's going to happen every day. Most people don't have or will not have the energy to do this. But if you can go hard, let's say for a good month or 2 months, 20 days straight, 30 days straight, you can really see some real income and change your life. So I want to give you guys more info, but I feel like I should leave that for another video. What I will say though, in conclusion, make sure that you're accepting all quests. Like, it may not seem like a lot of money when you're looking at, oh, let's say 10 deliveries and you're only making like 13 extra dollars, $2 for every 4 delivery extra. It may not sound like a lot, but that's how you actually create that easier income. That's how you make your days go faster. So if you, let's say, start a quest which was supposed to be from 11 to 2 o'clock p.m. and you started at, let's say, 12 and don't complete the 9, 10, 11, or even 13 deliveries that they give you, then you're going to be a little bit behind on making that 2, 3, or even possibly $400 day. For those who are signing up, don't forget my code will be in the description below. If you are trying to make an extra $100 for your first 100 deliveries in the first 90 days of being a Uber Eats delivery guy or girl. And yeah, so don't forget to check that out. And if you have any questions, please hit me up on this. I will be responding to everybody or as many people as I can, so you can make as much money as you want and live your best life.